this project, you're going to need 2 lengths of PVC pipe, 2 couplings, 2 end caps, 2 bushings, an adapter, and a nipple for connecting to an air tank, and a block of wood. For this project, we're going to be using 3 different types of wrenches to help tighten the fittings, our electric screwdriver, some tape, PVC cement, white lithium grease, and a rubber hammer. And of course, an air compressor. The first important step is to make sure that the 3/4 inch piece of PVC is longer than your main tube of 1 1/4 inch PVC. And to do that, I am cutting mine 4 inches back so that the piston on the inside is longer. The next step is to glue the coupling under the end of the 1 1/4 inch piece of PVC along with the threaded piece of PVC that you're going to later thread the pipe into. Make sure you twist both of the PVC as you're gluing it on to get a tight fit. Next, you need to file out the inside of the 3/4 to 1 1/4 inch bushing so that the 3/4 pipe can slide easily through it. I use my electronic drill, sandpaper, and a file to file this out. Next, glue the smoothed out bushing to the coupling, but do not glue it to the 1 1/4 inch main piece. Next, make the piston by putting the end cap on one end of the 3/4 inch PVC and use electrical tape to make a seal around the same end. Then add this sprinkler spring on to add rebound. Then insert it in the 1 1/4 inch pipe and through the smoothed out bushing, and then glue the other coupling and bushing onto the end. Next, to make the fist, trace out a fist onto your piece of wood. Then use a bandsaw to cut the shape out of the wood. Then drill a small hole in the 3/4 end cap so that you can drive a screw into the fist. Use white lithium grease to grease the piston on the inside. You can do this now or before you assemble. Finally, thread the air hose adapter into the bushing and then the air hose nipple into that. I'm using my pre-existing air tank that I have built and attaching it straight to the George Foreman. But for easy and multiple use, you can attach it to an air compressor using the air hose nipple. Last but not least, you need to drill several holes in the chamber that the piston comes out of. This allows the air to rush out as the piston goes forward and then the extra air to rush out as the piston goes backwards. Don't video that.
George Foreman.